Hola, clase. I wanted to just really quickly send you through the course and kind of give you a quick tutorial on how to access the information that you need in the different pages of our class. So the first thing I want to show you is the basic layout. On the right hand side, we've got the teacher information box, my name, my office number, my email, my availability, and a video about me. Then below that, we've got the syllabus. So 16-week students will click here for the 16-week syllabus with the schedule attached. One of the assignments that you're going to be doing really quickly is the student acknowledgement form. This is something that you just need to fill out that acknowledges that you understand the policies and procedures of Georgia Virtual. The synchronous classroom, click here to join the weekly session. We meet at 8 p.m. on Tuesdays, so click that link on Tuesdays to join the chat. If you do not make it, you're going to scroll a little bit further down under user links. So my class, my last name is Deneen, and I did my welcome chat here. So if you missed the welcome chat, you're going to view the recording right here. All right, so on the main page, we've got a little bit of a bulletin board. This is going to stay up for a couple of weeks so that the 14 and the 12-week students get a chance to view the information. And then we've got our news section. The news is something that I update most often on this homepage. A few times a week, I'll put videos, links, joke items, like little memes in Spanish just to practice the language, and in general, just helpful websites. So there are two really important tabs here on the top of the homepage. We've got our assessments tab and our course material tab. So the assessments is where you're going to click on to complete discussions, to turn something into the Dropbox, to check your grades, and to take the vocabulary quiz, the grammar quizzes, and the chapter tests. So this is all going to be done under assessments. Basically, everything for a grade goes here. Course material, the really important thing here is the content link. This is going to take you to your textbook, essentially. We don't have a book in this class. However, we have notes, we have practices, we have assignments. So our work is going to come from the content link. We are working on Repaso de Español Uno right now. So if you click on that, this is going to populate on the right-hand corner. So we are just going to follow along with our schedule. So pretend that I clicked on the right-hand side of the course and I clicked on that 16-week schedule. So if you are a 16-week student, great. If you are not a 16-week student, obviously make sure you are using your specific schedule. But when you download the syllabus, it is going to take us to the first week of class. So on Monday, what we were working on was that content page. We had to click on Module 1, Repaso de Español Uno. Then we worked on pages 1 and 2 because 1 and 2 are in parentheses. That was our presentation and our introduction discussion. Page 3, we were working on El Alfabeto. So yesterday, on Monday, August 20th, you should have gone through page 3 and done the alphabet. Then you should have gone through page 4 and reviewed the numbers. Then you should have gone through page 5 and learned a little bit about accent marks. And then page 6, you should have reviewed about the days, the months, and the terminology that refers to the calendar. So make sure that you are following along and referring to the number in parentheses. So on Tuesday, August 21st, the students should have worked on page 7, page 8, and the 3 different parts of page 8 are listed right here. Gustar verbs, the escuchar assignment, and then how to use these words in Spanish. Amar, querer, encantar, gustar. So make sure that you are following along with the page in parentheses. It says here on Wednesday, contact your instructor to email you your assigned Hispanic country for your upcoming assignment. There is an assignment that is going to be coming up here on Friday. I want you to contact me when you're ready so that I can assign the country that you are going to be working on so that you can begin. All right? So we are working on, let's say we're working on page 4. That was the números page. I go through my little quick introduction, and then I see some notes here. Image created by Georgia Virtual. This is an excellent image for you to keep and save. Even print it out and use it as a reference. Put it in your agenda if you have one. This is an excellent, quick little numbers chart that you would refer to a lot in class and outside of class. It is just something that is so great to have. When you go through page 5, you're going to be reviewing. Some of these videos will play immediately. And if they do, you can pause it until you're ready to go. But there are more videos that just have great resources. So make sure you are going through all of the slide or all of the content page. Then you move on to the next one. Again, days of the week. Another video, months of the year, and another review activity. These are activities that will score you immediately. So you match the following day of the week in English with its Spanish translation. Monday, going to see if we can drag Monday and lunes together. Miércoles would go to Wednesday. Viernes would go to Friday. Now, what would happen if I wanted to drag Domingo to Tuesday? And then I submitted that. Oh, let's just say there's going to be something wrong. All right, so I mixed up my Sunday and my Tuesday. I submitted it and it tells me I'm incorrect. All right, so I'm going to try again. And you can continue on until you're ready to get it correct. All right, so make sure that you just keep practicing and keep going. Okay, so bringing back to the home page. The content is where you're going to be finding all of that information, and that is what refers to the number in parentheses. On the left, we've got our chapters or our modules. And then here we've got all the pages to do. And you can actually click on the assignment and it'll take you directly there. So this is my Escuchar assignment. It'll take me straight to the Dropbox to upload the Escuchar assignment. If I go to a quiz link, it'll take me right to the quiz. All right, so if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch with me. But other than that, hopefully you are very comfortable now that you've taken a quick tour